Hey everybody, today we're talking about the Parrot ANAFI and speed. Now my original plan for this video was to do like a brief montage of the ANAFI in sports mode, doing some speed passes, and then I was going to focus on the follow me features for the remainder of the video. But I changed my mind. Today is all about speed. There's film mode and there's sports mode. It's all about sports mode today. Now I know some of you guys are out there like, man, what are you talking about speed for, man? Why are you trying to fly these drones fast anyway, man? You're supposed to fly them smooth. You're supposed to fly smooth. But anyway, this entire video is all about speed. So I'm gonna take the ANAFI out. We're gonna do some speed passes, and I'm gonna show you the top speed that I can get with the ANAFI. Flying in sports mode was one of the things I enjoyed the most about the Parrot Bebop 2. I mean, if you really wanted to get a speed fix, that's the drone for you. The ANAFI is similar, so I really like the versatility of a drone like this. All right then, let's get outside, let's get the ANAFI in the air, and let's see how fast we can get it to go. Okay, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and get some speed going today. Yeah, baby. All right, let me show you what I have mine set at. So global reactivity is at 100%. Vertical speed 6.6, rotation speed 107, inclination is at 40. That's all kicked all the way up. All right, I don't have the bank turns on because I still want to get some video. All right, let's go ahead and get it on. Sucker's moving, man. Woo! Now the ANAFI is just as fast as the Bebop 2. The difference with the Bebop 2 is a bigger drone. It had the 3-bladed props, and when it went by you, I don't know, the velocity, it just seemed like it had more velocity, you know what I mean? Like you know this one's moving, but as a matter of fact, I think this one will get you, I forget how fast this one goes. I'm recording the screen, so I'll put it up. I just want to keep my eyes on it because, you know, the ANAFI doesn't have any obstacle avoidance or anything like that, so you got to keep your eye on this one. All right, let's get a pass.
Go, Gadget.
I love it. You hear how quiet it is? Cool, man.
Where there's sunshine, there is rain. Where there are faces, there is pain. Lift the sky, go further, push to the edge. We know how to be a hot man.
All right. So as you can see, this thing can really move. 36.5 miles per hour top speed. And it looks it too, man. You feel like you're going fast when you're flying this thing, man. I really enjoy it. Well, that's all I got, man. If you're really interested in the ANAFI, check out my playlist. I'll put a link in the description box. I'll put a card up here as well. What I like to do when I review drones like this is I like to show you my experience over time. So I got the ANAFI several months ago, and I'm probably on video 10 or 11 right now. And there's gonna be more. I like to show you how things go with my drones over the course of my ownership. So if you're interested in the ANAFI, this is the place to be. Also, consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to click that bell. That way you'll know when I upload new videos. All right then, I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here, but I'm gonna leave you with something I've been learning myself, which is don't just tell them, show them. Later.
It happened and you did it and you don't want to admit it. Time to get this thing corrected and repent it, omit it. The hurt and pain is not going away. Today's another day, another way to be molded like potter's clay. You know this stuff don't happen overnight. Gonna take a while to get it right. Correct your posture, be contrite. Sometimes the fight is not your fight. Gotta let the play right or right. Put your trust in Jesus Christ, cause he's the one that owns your copyright. I cannot promise you that it's gonna get better, no. This world is broken and that happened a long time ago. But no, if you follow the manifesto, you'll grow strong like a shot of espresso. Let's go, let's get it. Time is waiting for a no man, but God has a purpose, yes, God has a plan. I'm delivering this message, call me the mailman. God is greater, there is none greater, so call me, let's stand. Trust in Jesus Christ, he's your only hope. Life can be rough and tough and stuff, you've had enough, but don't give up, cliche, no way. Today is the day of salvation, taking back the narration of what's real without hesitation. Tribulation, trials and struggle, with the God of the universe, you'll rise like a bubble.